welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. And for today's video, I had actually a while back gone thrifting and found this amazing dresser. I was so drawn to it. It had a mid-century feel and I knew that it had potential. To be honest, the way the person had painted it prior was very beautiful in the right home, but in my home, it absolutely did not fit. I do not have that color. So what I thought I would do is bring it back to its original wood color and then just tweak it up with a little bit of different, more modern handles. It took me forever. I'm not gonna lie, it was a very long process, but I'm super happy about the end result and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Also, there's a few questions or comments that I wanted to address. One of them is, when am I going to be doing that lampshade in the dining room, the DIY? And I promise guys, it is coming. I just filmed a whole bunch of videos that are gonna go out before. I'm going by room. So after the living room reveal, it's going to be the dining room. So stay tuned, it is coming. I have had a lot of you write to me asking me if I'm actually going to be putting it out. Also, a few of you had commented on the coffee table that I had made, and you guys had mentioned that you were worried that I was going to bring in termites from the wood. So I just wanted to clear it up and just clarify. I actually had gotten that wood fumigated. At the place that I bought the wood, they have these huge bins. They put the wood in and fumigate it to make sure there are no bugs, because this girl does not want any bugs in her home. No thank you, you could stay outside. So anyway, I do appreciate you guys letting me know and just worrying about me, but don't worry, it's been fumigated, so no bugs in this home. Also, a lot of you have been asking for the living room home tour reveal, and I promise guys, it is coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, I'm gonna jump right into this video. I'm gonna stop rambling on, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started. enjoyed how my dresser turned out, and just comment down below. Let me know if you guys preferred it before or after. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. If you guys have any other suggestions on how you guys would revamp it, I would love to hear it, because you never know, maybe down the line I'm gonna change it up again. So anyway, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are the best. I love you always. Have an amazing day. Mwah.